The Institute of Asian Private Equity Investment's upcoming online workshop on the 4th of December is a 2.5 hours deep dive into the deal structuring and valuation of a dairy company in Southeast Asia. Magic Milk is a growing company. Its founder strikes a deal with Dixon Capital, a PE firm. What was the deal structure that provides lucrative upside for Dixon Capital without too much dilution to the founder? To structure the deal, both parties must agree on the valuation. How can this be best achieved? What are the commonly used methodologies? Choosing listed peer companies is the most common benchmarking. On post-money valuation, how to make decisions based on the range. On the 5th of December, this 1.5 hour session delves into the valuation of a loss-making e-commerce company in Southeast Asia that has twice been acquired, with vastly different metrics. In 2021, Tiger Commerce was acquired by Good Take, a tech business expanding into the e-commerce sector. 2 years later, Good Take sold its controlling interest in the Tiger at a fraction of its entry valuation. What went wrong that dragged down Tiger's valuation? Is valuation a science or an art? Join us in these live Asian case studies on 4th and the 5th of December. Interactive, expert-led discussions on data-powered cases. Register via QR now.